Welcome back all of you to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. So again we are ready with today's video. This video is for class 9th and the subject is maths, and we are supposed to start the chapter, that is chapter number 6, and the name of the chapter is lines and angles. As yesterday we have discussed some of the terms and some of the relations between the angles which we are supposed to use while solving the questions given in this chapter. So we will start with the question number 1. In that the figure is given, question number 1. So in question number 1, AB and CD intersect at O. AB and this is AB and this is CD. CD intersect at point O, and if AOC plus BOE is 70 degree and angle BOD is 40 degree. Angle BOD, that is given 40 degree, and then one line is also given OE is also given. So we have to find here given what is given, that angle AOC plus angle BOE is equals to 70 degree and angle BOD is equals to 40 degree. Now we have to find what we have to find angle BOE and reflex angle COE, the reflex of angle COE we have to find. Now what is given, angle AOC plus angle BOE. So angle AOB is a straight angle, and which is divided into 3 angles, 1, 2 and 3, but the total sum will be 180 degree. So angle AOC plus angle BOE plus angle COE will be equals to 180 degree. Why? Because AOB is a straight line, because this is a straight line, means it is a straight angle. Now it is given AOC plus BOE is 70 degree. So 70 degree plus angle COE is equals to 180 degree. So from here angle COE will be 180 minus 70, that is 110 degree. But we are not supposed to find COE, we are supposed to find the reflex, that is reflex angle COE. Means we are not supposed to find this, we have to find this. If we are supposed to find the reflex of any angle whose value we know, that will be 360 degree minus 110, that will be 250 degree. So that is the second part. Now we have to find angle BOE. At the same time COD is a straight line. This is a straight line. So we can say angle COE plus angle BOE plus angle BOD is equals to 180 degree. This angle plus this angle plus this angle, because this is a straight line, that's why it is 180 degree. So angle COE we have already calculated, that is 110 degree, plus angle BOE we have to find. BOD already given 40 degree is equals to 180 degree. Angle BOE will be equals to 180 degree minus 110 plus 40, 150. 150 degree will be minus angle BOE will be 30 degree. So like this we are supposed to solve the questions. You should be careful that you should know all type of angles and their measurement and the relations between such type of angles. Only after that you can solve the questions. So after that we are supposed to try question number 2. What is given in question number 2? In figure 6.14 means figure is already given. Lines xy and mn xy and mn intersect at O. xy and mn intersect at O. If angle POY now here this is POY is 90 degree, and we have to find angle ABC. We have to find these three angles, in which one more additional information is given. A ratio B is 2:3. A ratio B 2:3. So as this is given that this is 90 degree, so this will also be 90 degree. Let the angles A and B be 2x and 3x. Ratio is given 2:3, so 2x and 3x, and their sum is 90 because that is 90 and that will be 90. So 2x plus 3x is equals to 90 degree, 5x is equals to 90 degree, so x will be 18 degree and A will be 2x means 2 into 18, 36 degree, B will be 3x, 3 into 18, that is 54 degree. So A and B already we have calculated, A and B. Now we have to find C. So angle B plus C will be equal to 180 degree. B plus C will be 180 degree. Why? The reason is there because MN is a line, because MN is a straight line, so their sum will be 180 degree. B is already given 54 degree, so 54 degree plus C is equals to 180 degree. From here C will be equals to 180 degree minus 54 degree. If we subtract, we will find 126 degree will be the answer. So like this we can proceed. I hope that you have understood and you will try the remaining questions of this exercise, and if you face any kind of problem or if you are having any kind of doubt, then you can message us or you can even call us. We will try to rectify your doubt so that easily you can proceed the questions given in your textbooks. Thank you very much.